Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my favorite video game. It is called Minecraft. Some of you guys know and some of you guys don't know. And my name is Zen Xhin. And I really like Minecraft so that I can build and PvP players like this. I can PvP them. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. And yeah. This is a sword, a Minecraft sword. It is used to attack players. This is a fishing rod. You can like fish them. And this is a bow. You can shoot. This guy's really good. Oh god, this guy. And this is a flint and steel and lights up fire. As I said, sometimes I lose, sometimes I win. So yeah, I play lots of games and lots of servers like CubeCraft, Bed Wars, and Block Wars, and a lot more. I even joined my friends' servers and play with them and build stuff. So fishing rod is for to fish them so they take damage, but not that many damage. So yeah, I won again. And I really think that you should check it out. Oh god, this guy's really good. This guy's super good. Okay. Oops, GG's. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this game for you. And yeah, I really think that you should check it out. And you can buy like capes and a lot more. And you can even customize your skin and choose skins. Like this guy, this guy has a skin also. Going down. Oh, he's very low. I'm very low also. Look at my heart. I'm a one shot, then I'm dead. Oops. So yeah. Okay, so after this game, I'm gonna end the video. Some players are really sweaty and try hard, so you do not want to mess with them. Oh god, this guy is really good too. So yeah. Also share this video so that other people can know this and they can play Minecraft too. And who knows, maybe one day you'll meet me in Minecraft. So this is iron armor. Oh god, this guy's also really good. Oh, okay. So remember to like the video and share and subscribe. So yeah. Bye.